The Apache Hop community is proud to announce the general availability of Apache Hop 1.0. In this video, we'll quickly run through what you'll find in Hop 1.0. Hop has been designed from the ground up to be robust, flexible, and reliable. The Hop engine is a kernel that contains nothing but the core functionality. All additional functionality is added through plugins. This required major changes to the code base, but Hop is now all set to continue building. Hop developers visually design, test and run workflows and pipelines in Hop Gui that was written from scratch. All operational functionality is also available from a uniform set of command line tools. Since data teams often work on multiple projects simultaneously, Hop supports projects and environments. Projects are conceptual groups of workflows, pipelines and other metadata items. Project environments contain the configuration for a project deployment on development, test, production or other stages in your project's life cycle. Projects and environments can be managed in Hop Gui or the hopconf command line tools, or can be passed as parameters to other command line tools. Project files can be version controlled through the Git integration in Hop Gui's File Explorer perspective. This not only lets you do Git operations like pull, push and commit, you can also visually compare two versions of a workflow or pipeline. Workflows and pipelines are not constrained to Hop Gui, they can run on a local or remote machine in the Hop native runtime. Pipelines have even more options. In addition to the native local and remote run configurations, pipelines can also run on Apache Spark, Apache Flink or Google Dataflow through the Apache Beam run configurations. This flexibility allows your Hop projects to evolve with your organization and process your data where it makes most sense. Testing if your data was processed correctly doesn't get much easier than it is in Hop 1.0. The generated output of a pipeline is compared to the expected output, also known as a golden dataset. If the output matches the golden dataset, the test passes. If there are any differences, the test fails. With portable runtime configurations, projects and environments, version control unit testing, and lots of other functionality, Hop provides all the tools you need to manage your project throughout its entire life cycle. The Hop project team already uses these to build, test and deploy code builds and integration tests multiple times per day. Last but not least, maybe the most important achievement in Hop 1.0 is the Hop community. A huge thanks and shout out to everyone who downloaded and tested Hop, filed bug tickets, provided feedback or helped the discussions. Great communities build great software, and Hop would not be where it is today without this wonderful community. Thank you all very much. Thanks for watching. Please download Hop 1.0 from the website and give it a try. We're looking forward to your feedback. If you want to stay up to date about Apache Hop, feel free to like and subscribe.